Welcome guys, so today I am with Sony WF 1000XM3 earbuds and I would like to show you how we can get the best equalizer setup. So I can recommend you one of the application. It's called the Wavelet. So you have to get this application. It's totally free, you don't have to pay for it. And once you download, you can just simply open. And next you have to tap on the settings icon and enable the legacy mode. After that, let's click right here. And you have to find your model of the headphones. So for example, when I'm gonna delete this one, let's type WF and we can find XM3. Click OK, and as you can see, there's the equalizer preset that we can turn on. And then we can just go back and right now enjoy the new setup of our equalizer. For me, it works good. I use it while connected with my WH-XM3 and it works really good. So you can tell me in the comment if this equalizer setup just hits your preferences. So yeah, that's how you can improve the sound of your headphones, of your earbuds, WF 1000XM3 from Sony. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.